Guys, good morning, welcome back. Hope you're all doing well, and let's dive into today's market conditions for the DAX, break down what's happening right now and what we need to watch for the rest of the week. Because yeah, there's a lot of going on. So looking at the 15-minute chart here, we had a decent push higher, sitting around 21,895 points currently, but there's the thing, the momentum is starting to fade. If you check the double stochastic here, you can see that the slow stochastic is still up in that overbought zone here, but the fast stochastic, it's taken a sharp dive down, meaning short-term momentum is cooling off seemingly. And when that happens, we start asking, is this just a dip or are we about to see a pullback? Now volume is dropping, but I think it means buyers are just losing a bit of a steam here. If you don't see them stepping back in, we could see a retest here in 21,700, which used to be the resistance level, or even deeper all the way down to towards 21,300-ish support level. But if the fast stochastic starts curling back up here, this one, the 25.5, we might get some strength, and then yeah, maybe we get another leg higher. Either way, patience is the key. And we cannot ignore the fundamentals because they can shift everything. Today we got the US employment report, unemployment rate, and the wage data dropping early in the morning US. All of those can shake the markets, especially with the Fed watching labor conditions closely. And next week CPI on Wednesday. And if inflation comes shorter than expected, we could see a strong bullish reaction. But if it stays hot, yeah, things could get volatile real quick next week. Yeah, now if you watched my double stochastic trading strategy video earlier yesterday, this kind of would be the perfect time to test it out. Let me know if you're using it or have you tried it, what setups you're seeing, and if you're finding any matchups with mine. I'd love to compare the notes that you have. And a disclaimer, naturally I'm not a financial advisor, and this is just my take on the market, sharing my thoughts and analysis. Always do your own research, trade smart, and manage your risks. This is the 1 hour chart, what it looks like. So what do you guys think? Are we heading higher still, or is the pullback coming? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.